Thomas Golden.
Yes, this is me.
Good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon, Judge.
What about driver's license? Let's start with Mr. Gavin. Do you have a driver's license, insurance, and registration?
I had insurance and registration, no driver license.
Can you get those documents out?
Insurance.
All right. All right, we'll just have them ready when the city attorney comes in, all right?
Okay.
All right, Mr. Bobby Graham.
Yes, sir.
You have a license, registration, and insurance?
No, I don't own a vehicle anymore, so I'm trying to get my license right now, but it's a pretty long wait to get in there and take the test.
Okay, Mr. Golden, do you have license, registration, and insurance?
No, sir.
Okay, Mr. Green, he needs to unmute himself. There
Hello,
he
how you
is.
doing?
Mr. Green,
How you doing?
do you have license and insurance?
No, I do not.
All right, good afternoon. Is that Miss Lamb, Brandy Lamb?
Yes,
Good afternoon to you.
good afternoon.
You have license, registration, and insurance, ma'am?
I have registration and insurance.
All right. Now, what's going on with your license, Miss Lamb?
I have to look it up. It was, my license was suspended and, I don't know to take the steps. I was trying to figure out what tickets, well, how to pay the tickets through COVID. I couldn't figure it out. So I don't really know what's going on with my license. I was trying to pay it and figure it out how to get it reinstated, but I don't really know
I wish you guys would seek a lawyer's advice when you go to take those tickets. You might not just want to pay just tickets because you don't know necessarily what you're signing up for. But I can give each one of you an opportunity to get a driver's license. Some be more reasonable than others. You only have 3 matters down here. Everybody's got I don't have not one offer in any of these spots.
I have an offer here for Gilliam, Your Honor.
Do you have an offer for Gilliam?
I had one emailed to me. Yes.
Oh, well, Gilliam.
You know what, Yana?
This is Gilliam.
I know, but Gilliam has,
So much.
he's got so much stuff. This offer doesn't encompass everything Gilliam's got.
Garrett Gilliam, Your Honor.
Yes.
Gilliam, Yeah, it doesn't, he needs an updated offer.
Okay, I only have on the docket. It only shows that he has three matters. I'm trying
Yeah,
to.
when you pull it up, he's got way more than 3 matters.
Okay.
Yes, yes. I don't know if I can speak or not.
You
Can
don't
I
have,
speak?
you don't have to right now.
Okay.
What do you want to say?
I wanted to say that I'm on disability, and I know I have a few other matters that I got in the recent past. But by the courts being closed, I haven't been able to get me or anything by my license being suspended. I haven't been able to get any insurance. So I'm trying to get a temporary license so that I can get mobile because I cannot do anything without pay anything either. Without transportation, can't get insurance without a license. And I'm trying to beg the court in your honor for a temporary license, like 9 to 5, so I could kind of rectify some of them tickets. Because as far as I looked, I had six or seven. Waiting until you call your name. And I'm trying to ask my attorney to forgive me for my lack of information. I'm trying to keep track of all this stuff, but these phones and me, I'm 62 years old and I don't have, I'm not that computer literate. My daughter does all this stuff. But if I can get the temporary license, I know I owe you guys $2. Yeah. You know, previously on SSI. So I do a little jitneys and things. You know, I was working for Lyft for a minute.
Weren't working for Lyft.
I was trying to work for Lyft and Uber,
I wouldn't
so I
get
can.
with you with all this not driving that practice you have.
That's what I'm trying to rectify, Your Honor, is that if I could pay some of that stuff off, a lot of that stuff is just like no insurance and driving while suspended. But I got to get on here and make a living, you know, with this little money SSI give me.
And
Not much.
there's a whole lot of running the red lights and all that stuff too.
I ain't hearing the red light. Oh, I remember the one time, yeah, I slid through the light, yeah.
Let them keep on talking. I'm just gonna let them keep on talking. You know what I'm saying?
I didn't hear you,
I'm gonna
Your
let
Honor.
them keep on talking.
Mr.
I
Gilliam,
didn't hear you, Your Honor. No.
Mr. Gilliam, why don't you wait until we can have a conversation so I can figure out what the city attorney's office.
While he's talking, I'm steady printing tickets out.
Thank you.
Thank you.
He hasn't stopped talking, I haven't stopped printing. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I don't know, do they have any offers in any of these, Mr. Adams?
Probably not. Godfrey's been gone all
It was
week.
like only 5 here.
Okay. You grab my water and I'll get writing.
All right.
You know I'm quick.
I got you, Mr. Guthridge. I got you checked in. Good afternoon to you.
Afternoon to you also.
I'm here. So I printed out ROAs for each one of them.
That sounds like
It is a thing. It's a book. You talk about going to Lyft or Uber. I told him I wouldn't want to get in Lyft or Uber with him. Let's go. All right, we're gonna wait on the offers to be written. We'll present the offers to you all. We will allow you an opportunity, if necessary, to speak with Mr. Wallace. Will allow, and he's gonna be your defense lawyer today. Will allow Mr. Wallace to speak with the city attorney if he needs to, and we'll get everybody out of here as quick as we possibly can. Daniel, that stuff that we got on.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get this up.
We're gonna make it a one-stop shop too, like we do, Mr. Wallace. So like Mr. Gilliam is only down here for 3, but obviously he's got more than that. We're gonna try to encompass everybody so they make it one trip.
Okay, that sounds good. Get everybody's license.
We still have any,
I'll allow
how
them.
about Golden Shore?
You still want to talk, Mr. Gilliam?
No, Golden Shore.
I don't know. I'm scared, Your Honor. I'm scared to, because I know I got like 6 or 7 warrants because I called down there and the Secretary of State had sent me the same warrant for the same, particularly the same offense, driving while suspended. So how can I be get anything rectified with 2 years of no courts or anything? And I'm not. I put my mercy in the hands of the court, Your Honor. I'm on a fixed income.
I know one thing that happens when you get older. As you get older in life, you lose the nerve for a lot of things. So back when Mr. Gilliam was in the streets, ripping and running, he wasn't scared of nothing. Now he's 62. He's done lost his nerve.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But I still got a pep in my step. Still got a little. I go out and get them. I can still get out here and make some money if the court and society let me. You just can't throw me to the wolves.
No, nobody's trying to throw you
Here's
to
the
the
easy
wolves.
ones.
All right, let's get going. That's all right. Mr. Guthridge, I guess is EWOP, disorderly conduct, I guess.
Yeah.
All right.
I can write that up.
You.
Want me to write that up real quick?
You can, all right, let's get going. And she's gonna be working on yours all day, Mr. Gilliam, so I'll get it to you as soon as I get it. I'll call your name. Let's start off. You ready, Ms. Williams Law? Good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon. Apologize, Your Honor. Yes, I'm ready.
All right, let's call the cases. This is the City of Detroit versus Bobby James Graham. Case number SP 1225916, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor, or good afternoon, Your Honor. I apologize. Ted Wallace on behalf of Mr. Graham.
All right, I have an offer in the file for your client pleading to a failure to display a valid driver's license, dismissing the other 2 counts. That is a misdemeanor. That is abstractable to the Secretary of State. However, it doesn't carry any points. I will fine him $240 for that, and I'll give him some time to pay if he needs it. I can let your client know he has an absolute right to a trial. We can set a trial date for him. That date will be April 11th. Or Mr. Graham, you can speak with Mr. Wallace in a breakout room if you need to get help. Let him help you make an informed decision. What would you like to do, sir?
I just need some time to pay the ticket. That's all.
So do you want to take the deal?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
All right, sir, let me draw your attention back to July 20th, 2021 at around 6:22 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Andover Street and East State Fair, sir. Did you have an occasion to be pulled over by Detroit police on that day?
Yes, sir.
On that date, sir, did that Detroit police officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
And sir, you couldn't do so, could you?
No, I didn't have my wallet on me.
Is that, okay, that is a failure to display. Do you have a valid driver's license, sir?
No, I'm trying to get it.
So whether you had your license on you or not, you weren't gonna be able to produce a valid driver's license on that day, were you, sir?
Correct.
You see how he tried to, that's a nice little slick, a lawyer move right there. He must have been watching court TV or something, or took some law classes or something. He tried to throw that in there. All right, I'm gonna find your client guilty of, as charged, of failure to display a valid driver's license. With stipulation of probable cause, counsel, I'll dismiss the other 2 counts.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. I'm gonna fine you $240, sir. When can you pay?
I'm laid off right now, but I do snow work when it snows. So I will be working later on tonight. So give me about 2 months, maybe a month and a half.
All right, I'm gonna give you 2 months. You say you're laid off. I find that good cause to give you 2 months. I'm gonna set it for a review, 8:25 a.m. on April the 18th. If you paid it, sir, you don't have to show back up. We'll close it out under failure to display. If you haven't paid it, I need to see you. All right?
Okay.
You got any questions?
No,
All right, have a
that's
great
it.
day, sir.
You too.
All right. Mr. Gavin, did you say you had insurance and registration?
Yeah, I had insurance when I was driving the car, and I got the title that I did register. Get it registered.
I mean, you got registration and insurance. Is that gonna change your offer for Mr. Gavin? He said he had insurance and registration.
I got rid of all, didn't I?
No, he has, well, you got the insurance and registration, you still got a failure to display. Is that gonna change anything?
Nothing to change it unless he has a valid license.
Do you have a valid driver's license, sir?
No, Your Honor.
All right, same deal, no deal. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Deshaun Stephen Gavin, case number SP 122-7671, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 122-76731. Appearance for the record, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ted Wallace on behalf of Mr. Gavin, who is present via Zoom. Mr. Gavin, please state your name for the record.
Deshaun Gavin.
All right, Mr. Gavin, the offer you is the same, failure to display a valid driver's license, dismiss the other 2 counts with stipulation of probable cause. You have to know, sir, you have an absolute right to a trial. I can set you a trial date up, which will be April the 11th. You can speak with Mr. Wallace in the breakout room if you want to help. Allow him to see if he can help you make an informed decision. What would you like to do, sir?
I'll take the deal.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, sir. Sir, you understand the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor offense is 93 days in jail and/or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have a right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're gonna give up that trial right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, sir, let me draw your attention back to July the 18th, 2021 at around 7:56 p.m. in the city of Detroit, the area of Jefferson and St. Albert, sir. You have an occasion to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer.
Yes.
Did that police officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No, sir. No, Your Honor.
Why is that?
I didn't have it. I didn't have it.
You didn't have the valid license on that day?
No.
All right, I'm gonna find, I'm satisfied. I'm gonna find you guilty of the admitted count of failure to display a valid driver's license. You satisfied, Counselor?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor, and I'll stipulate to probable cause on the other 2 counts.
All right, with that stipulation, I'll dismiss the other 2 matters. Sir, when can you pay?
Next week, next Friday.
Next Friday. All right, can you get it before next Friday or?
I
Let's
probably can
let's
get
give,
it before.
let's give it till March the 4th, just to make sure. You need to pay that at any div dab kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you need to come down to the court and pay that. I'm gonna set this for review on March the 4th, 2022 at 8:25 a.m. If you paid it, sir, you don't need to show back up. And I have not paid it, I need to see you, sir.
Okay, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a great day, sir.
You too. Thank you.
LaShore,
Yes.
good afternoon, sir. This is the city
Good
of
afternoon,
Detroit.
y'all.
This is the city of Detroit versus Joe Nathan LaShore. Case numbers SP 122-433-6, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ted Wallace on behalf of Mr. LaShore, who is present via Zoom. Mr. LaShore, please state your name.
Joe Nathan LaShore.
All right, Mr. LaShore, can you produce valid registration and valid insurance for this vehicle?
Yes, I have the registration and the insurance for this vehicle.
For the 1998 Ford?
Yep, Expedition, yes.
All right, well, if you do that, we'll see if we can get you another offer, but you're on the phone now, so we can have you back down here another day. You can come down in person and produce that. Otherwise, there's no way of me verifying whether that stuff is correct.
Okay, well, you can make me a date to come down, Your Honor.
All right, we're gonna set this for a pretrial. Well, can we give him a little earlier pretrial so he can get this, taken care of? I'll just say March the 10th or March the 3rd. He can come next week, I mean, week after next.
Okay.
All right, let's bring you down March the 3rd, that's a Thursday, at 8:30 a.m.
Okay, I have another court appointment on the 3rd, Your Honor, March the 3rd.
All right, well, what about March the 10th?
That'll be fine.
March the 10th, bring registration and insurance. All right, if it's nothing further, sir, I'll see you back March the 10th. Are you gonna come down to the courthouse that day?
Yes.
I'll say in person. All right, have a great day, sir. See you March the 10th at
What
8:30
time?
a.m.
Okay, thank you.
All right,
Thank you.
thank you.
Yep.
Green. This is the city of Detroit versus George Green. Case number SP 122-7741, counts 1 and 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ted Wallace on behalf of Mr. Green, who is present via Zoom.
Okay, you don't have a valid driver's license, do you, Mr. Green?
No, I do not.
All right, offer is failure to display. 240 will dismiss the other matter. Or your client has an absolute right to a trial, counselor. I'll fine him $240 for that failure to display. That's a misdemeanor. That is abstractable to the Secretary of State. However, it doesn't carry any points. And we'll dismiss the other matter. You can speak with Mr. Wallace in a breakout room if you need to help, allow him to help to make an informed decision, sir. What would you like to do?
I would rather just pay.
We'd rather just pay.
Yes.
I told him I wish I had a company where I could everybody would just rather just pay. I love that. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, or nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, sir. Sir, you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have a right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're gonna give up that trial right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Sir, let me draw your attention back to July the 19th, 2021, at around 1:33 p.m. in the area of Cruz and Pilgrim, sir, in the city of Detroit. Did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer?
Yes.
And then on that day, did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No, I couldn't.
And why is that?
I don't have a license. License is suspended.
Very well. I'm going to find him guilty of the amended count of failure to display a valid driver's license. I will, with stipulation of probable cause, dismiss the other count.
Stipulate, Your Honor, and I am satisfied with the factual basis.
All right, very well. When can you pay, sir? $240.
I will need some time.
All right, give me a date. Put a date on it, sir.
Can I have a release about a month, 2 months, 2 months?
All right, I'm gonna give you same time, April the 18th, 2022, review. 8:25, I'm not even gonna go into why you need 2 months, but I gave the other person that, I'm gonna give that to you too. 8:25 a.m. If you haven't paid, sir, by then, you don't have to come back. If it's not paid, sir, I need to see you, okay?
Okay.
Have a great day, sir.
You too.
Thomas, Golden Thomas, Thomas Golden. Do we have Thomas Golden?
I'm right
let's
here.
go. I don't have yours yet. Hold on a second.
I gave it to you.
I don't see it.
It's on your front.
Let's go with Thomas Golden. We'll go in the order that oh, this is long. Let's go with Thomas Golden. Plead to these three and that's it. What about these in default? Let me see what this, let me see how far we got. You out here too.
I know, I just missed it. So. We'll miss it again soon.
Uh, 2019, still on track. I don't know. That's state charge. Another 2013.
ROA is on the side.
Running out of paper and printing ink here too. do too. Oh, he wanna drive to Uber or Lyft. No.
You on it?
Yes.
Hello?
Got, some 2019 state matters.
Yeah. Yes, what day will you be available? Can you give me a date so I can put in the system? Did you get your tickets in Southwest Detroit? This ticket, it looks like it was written out of Southwest.
All right. Oh, I'm sorry. I like this.
Well, that's what I'm looking at, so that's what I'm asking.
Okay. Here we
I'm looking
go.
right at it. Okay.
Maybe I
The
should have moved
reason
the
why I'm
Brandon line
asking is
first.
to put you on the right document.
All right,
That's the only reason
so
I'm
we
asking.
have,
We have two different documents. I need to let the judge know.
we have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Okay,
7,
here's another one.
8, 9, 10.
So. We're drawing
Can we
trend.
get another, offer for him based on these ROAs? Yeah, it's, I got 15, it's 10 that you,
That's Southwest Detroit. Drawing trend. I know,
I think so,
raw
yeah.
sounds like
Yeah.
it. Now, she wants a new court date to because it's out of Southwest. She had, you want her to. Because otherwise, she's gonna go back to Sherman.
I don't know, who is that?
This is Carolyn Taylor. They scheduled her for your courtroom, but it's out of Southwest, so that's why.
So come back on Wednesday.
She don't have to.
All right, let's go with, Lamb. We're gonna get an updated offer for you, Mr. Green. Mr. Golden. Let's go with Lamb. This is
Yes.
the city of Detroit versus Brandy Michelle Lamb, case number SP 1256308, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 1256311. Appearance for the record, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ted Wallace on behalf of Ms. Lamb, who is present via Zoom.
Okay. All right, ma'am, your offer today is plead to the amended count of failure to display a valid driver's license, $240 fine. Dismiss the other 2 counts. And you have a right to a trial, ma'am. You have a right to speak to Mr. Wallace, who can help you make an informed decision if you need to, or you can take the deal. What would you like to do, ma'am?
I'll take the deal.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, ma'am.
You're gonna be coming in on March
Ma'am,
3rd.
you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have a right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're gonna give up that trial right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to, what is that, September 28th, 2021, at around 3 p.m., ma'am, in the city of Detroit, in the area of Warren and St. Jean Street. Did you have an occasion to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer on that date?
Yes.
And on that date, were you asked to produce a valid driver's license?
No.
You weren't asked to produce a license?
Oh, yes, I was asked.
All right. And you couldn't do that, could you, ma'am?
No,
And why is that?
because I didn't have a valid driver's license.
All right, very well. I'm satisfied, counsel. You satisfied?
Satisfies, Your Honor, to stipulate to the other two, to probable cause on the other two counts.
All right, I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of failure to display a valid driver's license. That's a 0-point offense. However, it is a misdemeanor and it does abstract to the Secretary of State. And I'm gonna dismiss the other two with counsel with that stipulation of probable cause. Now, ma'am, when can you pay $240 is gonna be the fine?
I'm out on a medical right now. I don't go back to work until
April the 18th.
Huh?
Come back and have it paid by April the 18th,
Okay.
2022. If you don't have it paid by then, I'm gonna need to see you at April 18th at 8:25 a.m. If
Okay.
you have it paid, then you're good to go, ma'am.
Okay.
All right, if nothing further, have a great day and wish you best of luck on your health.
Thank you.
All right, have a good one.
You too.
Mr. Guthridge, are you in Wilmington, Delaware?
Yes, I am.
So you come out here, run them up, and then go on head back home, huh?
No, I don't.
All right. Let me see. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Daniel L. Guthridge, case number U5967721. He's also got another case that he caught on the same day, carrying concealed.
Not true.
Judge, I wrote that information.
I didn't say whether it was true or not, sir. I'm just saying, I'm just letting the city attorney know.
I saw that.
You did? That still doesn't affect the offer. Disorderly conduct, $240 fine. You have an absolute right to a trial, sir. I can set you up with a trial date if you don't want to take this offer. That'll be the amended count of disorderly conduct. Is there any no delayed sentence on that at all? All right, that's it. That's the offer. I can put you in a breakout room. You can speak with the counsel to help you make an informed decision. You can set a trial date or you can take the deal.
No deal. I'm not accepting any deal.
All right, trial date, April the 11th, 2022 at 9 a.m., sir. All right?
Yes, sir. April the
Have a great
11th.
day.
You too.
April 11th, 2022 at 9 a.m. Same
Yes,
way
sir.
via Zoom.
You said it will be via Zoom or no?
No, via Zoom. Unless you want me to make you come on back to Detroit.
No, not necessarily, but can you tell me what the disorderly conduct was? What I commit, how it was committed?
It says here, you were at 207 Longfellow. Offender entered the home at the location and attempted to illegally occupy it. Enters vacant building without written owner's permission. That's the allegation.
Okay, so I guess we're gonna have to do a trial because I was invited. I came from Chicago, as the officer will attend.
All right, listen, you don't have to say anymore.
Okay.
You, we'll have another lawyer. I'm sure, hopefully as good as Mr. Wallace, but whoever will be able to take care of that. And then I'll let you speak to them and we'll figure it all out on April 11th. How about that?
Yeah, and what was the time on that?
The time was 11 a.m., 9/28/2021, 11 a.m.
Okay.
Oh, that was the time of the offense, Your Honor. You said
No, I need the court date time, April 11th
Oh,
at what
9
time?
a.m., 9 a.m., 9 a.m.
Okay,
I'll see you back then, Mr. Guthrie.
thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
Okay. We have Mr. Green and Mr. Giles come in the room. Well, Marcus Giles is here. Kelvin Green.
Yes.
Good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon, Judge.
All right, I have, is this, we haven't updated this one yet.
Nope, I haven't. Here's Mr. Gilliam.
Gilliam.
What I did, these are a bunch of state, and then I tried. What I did, I took all his driver's license ones, took 5 no ops and dismissed 13 other, like.
We're gonna dismiss the state too, right?
That's on you, I can't.
Yeah, we'll dismiss the state. I mean, 5 no ops, that's $1,000 more.
I have no jurisdiction, sir. Okay, wait, where are the ones? Oh, those are ROAs?
They're all ROAs.
Okay.
You have to see the 2019 civil infraction, you need that in there.
Okay.
All right.
Here's another one. Oh,
Who's that? Kelvin Green.
Is that an easy one?
Yeah, that's an easy one. Let's call the case, Mr. Gilliam.
Yes,
There, sir?
yes, Your Honor.
All right. All right, let's go. This is the city of Detroit versus Derek G. Gilliam. Case number SP 108-2304, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 108-23051. SP 11094559, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 113763, counts 1, 2. SP 113770, counts 1 and 2 and 3. SP 1225634, counts 1 and 2. SP 1225722-1. SP 890845, counts 1 and 2. SP 890850, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 890857-1. He's got a 12-442-4601. Appearance for the record, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ted Wallace on behalf of Mr. Gilliam, who is present by phone.
All right. You didn't have an offer sheet for this one? Oh, you did, let's see. All right. So here we are. Says see back. It's got a whole lot of stuff. 5 guilty pleas on no ops.
I think I did no contest, Judge, just because there was so many.
5 guilty pleas on no contest, because I'm sure he probably doesn't remember all these times that he got stopped. And Then they're gonna dismiss everything else. $1,200, sir. Plus I'll waive the warrant fees, plus you're gonna have reinstatement fees and I don't know how much, so probably about another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. You probably got about $2,000 sitting here. You have a right to a trial, sir, or you have a right to speak with Mr. Wallace in a breakout room.
I would like to do that, John.
Okay. That's 5, failure to displays, Mr. Wallace, and dismiss the rest of the tickets. And then we will waive the warrant fees, and he's gonna pay the reinstatement fees for most of all those tickets.
Okay, Your Honor.
All right.
So the offer is 5 failure to displays, not 5 no ops.
Yeah, 5 failure to displays.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
I don't.
He's in there.
Some of these were on the offer already. I don't know if my system will work.
You know, it's just some more than that's a different kind of
When my
system there.
system is not getting along.
No, that's a different, I really get used to that.
Okay, with the ROAs, if they're on the offer, I put a green check at the top. These one ROAs I put to the side of the state. I think I've got it. Here's Mr. Green's offer.
You'll be next, Mr. Green.
Are you trying to connect to
Okay, we got it.
the Zoom hearing?
We got Mr. Golden will be next, and then Mr. Green.
I understand it's hailing outside currently. So
It is, it's bad out there.
we'll probably all. I'll check back shortly.
All right. He's gonna talk his ears off.
Oh, right. You got patience though, that's the thing.
Mr. Green, do you have a driver's license?
I'm sorry, sir.
Do you have a driver's license?
Yeah, not at the moment. I found that day it was suspended.
What's stopping you from getting one?
I'm sorry.
What's stopping you from getting a license?
Well, I have to pay a ticket in another city, and I was waiting to see what's going on. I actually just funds. I'm between jobs, so waiting on money.
Want to see if you can get a license and come back?
Sure. Can I get a little time?
You only
Can I get a
have
little
2
time for
seats
that?
down here. Huh?
Can I get a little time for that, Judge? I'm working on it.
April the 11th, is that enough time?
I could try to make it enough time. I appreciate the time.
All right, let me call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Kelvin Charles Green. Case number SP 1227934, counts 1 and counts 2. Mr. Green, you got 2 tickets. The offer is pleading to a failure to display valid driver's license. That's gonna be a $240 fine. I'm gonna give you an opportunity to get the driver's license. I'm gonna give you till April the 11th. I'm gonna call it a pretrial that day. You call it a pretrial. That's 8:30 a.m. Come on and zoom back in on March the 11th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. All right.
Okay.
We'll see where you're at for to get the driver's license. Have a good day,
And
sir.
what day is it? You said April 11th?
April the 11th,
At what time?
8:30.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, have a good day, sir.
This guy right here missed his court date yesterday, but he said he's got valid all the stuff that we asked him to have. I just told him. Zoom in and out, let you decide what you want to do.
I'm all set, Judge.
You're all set. I'll see you back on April the 11th.
All right, you guys have a good day. Thank you.
All
Bye.
right. Where's Marcus? I don't see Marcus, what you call it, spot. Giles, we should have gave.
Oh, like Judge Giles?
Yeah.
Same name? Oh.
Yeah, I think you might have been on the phone when I called his name.
Oh, from something. Let me see.
He paid his, he seemed like he's got a license.
Yeah, he got his license, but,
He ran his license,
uh,
and we just told him, he paid a reinstatement.
that's what I'm saying by the end. Well, that was yesterday. What day did he pay it? I just told him Zoom in. I can do all that once he gets here. I can do it now if you want.
That's him right here.
Okay, yeah, okay, I can run it. He said he had it on him, but I can run it right now. Makes it easy.
Giles, are you there?
Is she coming back?
Yes, Judge.
Well, he might want to just get a trial date.
Oh, okay. You don't have a.
He's got allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. This is the city of Detroit versus Marcus D'Angelo Giles. Case number SP 1228478, counts 1, 2, and 3. Mr. Giles, you've been charged with allowing an unlicensed driver to drive and also unregistered, untitled, no insurance misdemeanor. Do you want to just come back on a trial date? We'll figure this out on April 11th.
Yes, sure. Sure, Judge.
Where are you, sir?
I'm at work.
No, I'm saying your face.
Oh, I'm sorry. How do I turn it? Okay.
What you mean?
April 11th,
What you mean?
2022 at 9 a.m. All right?
Okay, April 11th.
April
2020.
11th, write it down so you know, April 11th, 2022 at 9 a.m. What do they say? You don't talk, you just might walk.
Okay,
It must be.
write it down right now.
I'm thinking I'm not doing it. I got double fires. They keep sending us,
April 11th.
They sent a double file event. April 11th, 2022 at 9 a.m. Don't miss it.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Have a good day, sir.
You too.
All right. Is this Claude Lewis?
So I don't need to do the 17th.
Yes.
All right,
And I think.
Mr. Lewis, do you have a drive? Do you have insurance? You gotta get a better connection, sir.
But they keep sending us double fire. Her whole stack, or you got just a couple? That's what I'm saying. Yeah, just go back and just do all of them. Let's see, I'm doing something work. Let me see his name. Okay, I know the constable. What's
Your
the
Honor,
last name?
Yes.
can you hear me now?
Is this Claude Lewis?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I can hear you, but I need to see that proof of insurance.
I'm about to show you it right now. I got it in my car. I had to run to my car.
I'm doing double work. This is like this. on this one. Okay, I appreciate it. Thanks. Okay, bye. Okay, run his license, you know.
Well, not necessarily. He just has no insurance misdemeanor. Who's calling in at 978-01383?
Yeah,
What's your name, sir?
Frederick Osley.
Frederick who?
Osley, O-S-L-E-Y.
All right, good morning, good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon.
Keep on coming in.
They gonna need to lock it.
Well,
Your Honor, this is Claude Lewis. I have my information right here.
let me see it, sir.
Okay.
Oh, see, that's what I'm saying.
This is my orange. Expiration date is all the way up to.
I can't see anything. I can't see anything. Your screen is frozen or something.
Can you see it now?
No, your screen is frozen.
It's still frozen, Your Honor?
Yes.
I'm gonna go to another area so you can see me and it's not frozen.
All right, Osley, I can get these warrants off of you, but you're gonna have to come back on another day.
I'm gonna have to come back.
Yeah, I don't have a city attorney to give you an offer.
Okay. What day?
Let me see.
My screen's still frozen.
Yeah, I can't see anything. I can give you an opportunity to come back on another date too.
I can see, my screen not frozen no more.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
All right. Let's hold on a second. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gilliam. Let me pull him out of there. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Derek Gilliam. Sir, I've given you an opportunity to speak with the defense counsel in the breakout room. Mr. Wallace, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, after speaking with Mr. Gilliam, he wants to take advantage of the generous offer from the people and plead guilty to the failure to display, the 5 counts of failure to display.
All right, is that the case, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Sir, can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir.
Yeah, that was right on time. I'm glad you said that. Go ahead.
All right, sir, you understand the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have a right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand by taking this off, you're gonna give up that trial right?
I would like to give it up with prejudice, though.
Yeah, well, you're not gonna give it up with any prejudice. I don't even know what that means.
I don't know. I heard it in the courtroom. That means I need more time to rectify the opportunities that I have as far as moving about, of keeping myself fed,
Mr. Gilliam, Mr. Gilliam,
and keeping my heat on.
Mr. Gilliam, we'll get to the rest of it. He just wants to make sure that you want to take advantage.
I'm just inclined to set him a trial date, and he can go to trial and see what he gets if he wants.
No, Your Honor, I think he's just misunderstanding where we're at in this procedure right now. He's expressed to me that he does want to take advantage of the offer.
All right, so you understand that by taking this offer, you're gonna give up this trial right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
All right, he sounds mad.
Well, I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to pay out of this $800 something I get him. I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to pay this money but I'm going to pay it because I'm trying to get it done.
Mr. Gilliam, let's get through this part, and then we'll address the payments, the paying of the fines.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, yes. Another deal.
Yes, Your Honor. This is Claude Lewis III. Is the screen still frozen?
Hold on, Claude Lewis III. I'm on the record now. The screen is not frozen.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. I got all this stuff. She puts it all up here. I got all this stuff. We'll get to it.
Right.
All right, let's see what we have now. All right. Well, let's just, when your client stipulate, I'll let your client, she has no objection for your client to take these under no contest plea, because there's an awful lot of tickets. Would your client want to take these under a no contest plea?
Yes, Your Honor, and we'll stipulate to the factual basis based on the tickets.
All right, you'll stipulate to the factual basis. So I'm gonna find him guilty of 5 counts of failure to display a valid driver's license. With stipulation of probable cause, I will dismiss the other charges.
Stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. So it's going to be no contest plea is going to be entered into. They're going to be treated as guilty pleas, sir. So you got 5 counts of display. That's $1,200. What I'm going to do is I'm going to waive the warrant fees. You're going to have to pay the reinstatement fees.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I sent you some
counsel.
hundreds of dollars there.
Well, Colin, so would I have to go through the Secretary of State to pay them, or
No,
I don't know who I got to pay.
Come down to the courthouse and pay them, sir.
Oh, because my daughter handles most of my fine bills and stuff.
Sir, we don't need to know all your business. You need to let your daughter drive. You need to let your daughter drive.
I'm trying to get this done, Your Honor. It's been if you look at some of them tickets, they're probably over 10, 15 years old, sir.
Yeah, and then that's the bad part about it. That's not something you want to be telling
No.
everybody. You've been going around
No.
15 years running them up.
No, a lot of them, somebody was using my ID. I explained to my counsel that I claimed to another judge that my license was stolen back a long time ago, and someone was impersonating me. I don't know who it was, but we never got to the end of it. I missed a couple of court dates and whatever. So I'm here now with it because I'm not a bad guy. I don't have no felonies. I never had a felony.
Nobody said you were a bad guy. You just don't handle your business.
Thompson.
Yes, sir.
Oh, man. You said we're going to have an amnesty day anytime soon? Thompson?
I have no idea.
Any kind of way I could get community service?
Yeah, you can do community service. I'll give you $20 an hour towards your community service. How many you want to do?
To pay my enough to do my tickets.
All right, so if I say $2,000 worth of tickets, then you do 100 hours of community service. That's yeah, 100 hours of community service.
How long is, yeah, I do that.
You do 100 hours of community service, I'll clear it all out.
Let's do it.
Get them set with community service. Let's get them. You have an ink pen, sir?
Yeah. Let me get my glasses here. Okay.
313
965 965
8130.
8130.
That's gonna be Miss Green.
Miss Green.
Miss Green, the community service coordinator. We're going to put a referral in, and they should contact you if you don't hear from them by the beginning of next week. Give them a call.
You got his phone number, right?
I do have.
Miss Green. And you're Judge, what's your name, Judge?
John B. Perkins.
Perkins. You ain't related to your attorney Perkins.
That's my brother.
No kid. Heard of him.
Mr. Gillis, boy, you something else.
He changed a lot. He changed a lot of laws down there, downtown. He's a good guy.
All right, I'll let him know you said that.
I never had no, cause he a criminal attorney. I never had no dealings with him, but I know some people who have. and he's a great attorney.
I'll let him know you said that.
He's not no joke. No kidding. And he stays sharp, by the way.
Man, I need a TV show with Mr. Gillen.
You don't do it. You need a TV show, period. Cause I didn't know if you was an officer or administrator or you doing all.
Yeah.
Secretary. I got good counsel though.
Yeah, you got good counsel. You do have good counsel.
Ted, all right with me.
Mr. Gillen knows a good thing when he sees it, doesn't he?
Apparently, Your Honor.
Right.
The police ain't at my door, so I'm pretty good.
All right.
Well, we can't do no nothing service.
I got 100 hours of community service. We'll clear all this up. I'll clear it all out with 100
Let's
hours.
do it.
Let me just check these
I'm gonna
off.
check back, whatever. 100 hours. That ain't bad. Couple weeks, about 4 weeks.
Make sure you call that number if you don't hear from them, Mr. Gill.
Miss Green.
Yes.
Yes. And Ted, yeah, Ted, I'm gonna keep in touch with you.
Okay.
Cause my daughter got some issues.
Okay.
And my granddaughter. You do other than Detroit? Do you go out like
anywhere in Michigan? Anywhere in Michigan, Mr. Gill. Why don't you give me a call so we don't discuss this is being broadcast on YouTube? We don't need everybody.
I'm just gonna give them your number and let them handle their own business.
That sounds good.
I'm just trying to get it under the wings. I'm too old to be going to jail.
I don't think about that. I don't think they have an age limit on jail.
Thank you, Your Honor. That's a death sentence. Now you go to jail.
You might be right about that.
Right.
All right. He's got a no ops ticket from back in 2012 that he's never paid.
No.
It's 400 and $404.
Who, me? Mr. Gill?
Yeah.
I wish I could run all this stuff concurrently so I could stop going back. I never get my license. But they went back to 1998 on me.
You're gonna get, if you do this community service, you'll get a license. Now, with this no ops, I'm gonna leave it the way it is, 100 hours of community service.
And squash all that.
We'll squash it all.
That's a lot of community service.
Oh, now he's complaining. Now
I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining. No, sir. No, Your Honor.
Yeah, he did.
I
Just saying how good of how you can knock that out. That's like 1, 2, 3 weeks. Or you said now you're saying there's a lot of community service.
No, I said no. I love community service. I do it anyway.
Yeah.
So,
all right. I'm gonna give you till May. I'm gonna give you till April the 18th.
April 18th.
18th. That's 2 months. 2022. I'm gonna set it
April
for review.
18th.
8/25.
April 18th. That's when I gotta start.
No, you start as soon as you can. I'm gonna give you April
Okay.
18th to finish.
Well, I'm gonna call him first. Right.
If you get it done sooner than that, sir, then you can come on in and we'll close it out.
Yes, Mr. Perkins.
All right. There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day.
Take care,
You
Mr.
too.
Gill.
Hey, I got your number, counsel.
Yes,
Hey,
sir.
tell the judge, thank you very much.
I will. You go ahead and hang up.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Mr. Lewis, where is that insurance?
Yes, it's right here, Your Honor.
Let me see it.
Here go my driver's license, registration. Here go
I
my
don't want to
insurance.
see your driver's license. I just want to see your insurance.
It's right here, Your Honor.
Hold on. All right, back it up just a little bit.
Right there.
That's for a different vehicle than you were driving on this day. But where is this 2010 Chevy?
I got into an accident, so I don't have that car no more.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Claude Lewis, case number SP 110287771. Appearance for the record, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ted Wallace on behalf of Mr. Lewis, who's present via Zoom.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the case, provide valid documentation. I'm going to waive the warrant fee.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day, sir. All right, have a
Thank
good
you.
day.
So, Your Honor, so the payment, I don't have to make no payments or anything. Everything is taken care of.
It's closed out. It's closed out.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome.
Okay, have a blessed day.
All right, you as well. All right, Mr. Golden.
Hello?
Yes.
This is the city of Detroit versus Thomas Berlin Golden. Case numbers U 165-10314, SX 3505455, counts 1, 2, and 3. U 10927-313. 12-51-33541. So 649-1881. SP 122-7282, counts 1 and counts 2 and count 3. SP 122-7283, 1. SP 124-2770, 1, 2, and 3. 17-39, 29, 26, counts 1 and counts 2. 18-414-7291. Appearance for the record, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ted Wallace on behalf of Mr. Golden, who's present via Zoom.
All right, so if I get all this together, Mr. Golden has 1, 2, 3, 4 counts of failure to display, and we'll dismiss everything else. That's think about 900. I think about 900.
I think it's $960.
$60. All right, you can take the deal, sir, or you can set a trial date, or I can put you in a breakout room. You can speak with Mr. Wallace. What would you like to do?
I mean, I would take the deal. I want to take the deal, but like, can you break down the tickets that I'm taking the deal to? Because it was 2 tickets that was from 2015. They was like lottery tickets, and I don't want to plead guilty to them tickets because I wouldn't.
No, you're not pleading any U tickets. All you're pleading to is driving failure to display valid driver's license tickets.
All right. Well, yeah, I'll take the deal. Like, can I get like some help paying the $900 off, or I gotta pay it off?
Well, you want to do community service with Mr. Gillen?
Yeah, I'll do community service.
All right. For him, 900, be 50 hours. Is that about, wait a minute, let me make sure I'm right about that.
I think we're at 960, Your Honor, so I gotta do the math.
50 hours of community service. Well, he still got reinstatement fees and stuff like that.
Oh, yes.
Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Let's say 10. Let's say let's say 70 hours of community service to clear it all up, reinstatement fees and all.
Don't close the door.
That sounds good. I mean, I do work full time, so like Monday through Friday, so like 70 hours.
You work that out with the community service coordinator.
Okay.
I'm sure they can work around some of that stuff.
All right.
As long as you're willing to do it.
Yeah, I'm willing to do it.
All right, sir, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You understand the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right. I'm gonna allow him to no contest, please, for all of these as well. So will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the stops?
Stipulated, Your Honor, stipulated to probable cause on the other counts.
And your client will stipulate the probable cause. With that stipulation, sir, I'm gonna find you, I'm gonna enter no contest pleas in the 4 counts of failure to display. $200 for each count. I am going to dismiss the other matters.
Okay.
It's gonna take a minute for me to do this paperwork too. All right. Let's see, stuff. All right, let me see. I don't know why I'm not picking up all these numbers he has. 18. Personal. All right. All right, I have 4 counts of failure to display, all under no contest. And that's 1, 2, 3. Where is the 4th? Closing the court immediately.
Right now?
Yeah. This is I don't believe she have all this stuff here.
Oh.
Who else is online? Who's on that phone? 978-0183.
Yes,
What's your name?
Frederick Osley.
Who?
Frederick Osley.
Oh, okay. Osley, we're gonna get you another date. All right, here
Okay.
we go. Here we go. 100 hours of community service. We're gonna dismiss the rest of that. I'm gonna give you a date of April 18th, 2022 to complete the community service.
So it's not 70 hours no more?
No, 70 hours, I'm sorry, 70 hours. If you complete it, if you need some more time, you told me you're working 40 hours a week. Just come back in April 18th at 8:30 a.m. and let us know where you're at. I need you to get in touch with the community service coordinator, Ms. Green, at 313.
1 second.
You have an 8 pen?
Yeah, I'm ready right now.
313-965-8130. I need a good phone number from you.
313-265-0039. And you said this lady name was what?
Ms. Green.
Ms. Green. Okay.
If you don't hear from her by Monday or Tuesday, give her a call, all right?
Okay, 965-8130.
8130. If there's nothing further, sir, have a great day, all right?
You too, thank you.
All right. Let's get Osley a new date. You want to come back tomorrow, sir? In the morning?
Around, what time, sir?
8:30 in the morning. Be here first so we can get you out of here.
You think we'll be open?
Oh, I don't know.
If they close.
Come back next week. Come back next Friday.
Next Friday?
Next
All right,
Friday,
we'll do it.
February 25th, all right?
All right, what time did you say?
8:30 a.m.
Next Friday. Okay. All right, thank you.
If it's nothing further, have a great day, sir.
You too, thank you.